Hello. Are you aware that 72 million Indians suffering from type 2 diabetes in India and another 25 million Indians are pre-diabetics, which means in the near future they will be diabetics? Yes. And this accounts for 17% of the total world's diabetes population. And hence India is termed as diabetes capital of the world. But this is a very good news for India and Indians. You'll agree with me. And do you know that diabetes person, what kind of a pain a diabetes person undergoes every single day when he has to prick himself for at least 6 to 7 times in a day to give blood sample to his family doctor to make sure that his blood glucose levels are under control and are not fluctuating. If you resonate with some of the thoughts that I'm sharing here, this is the right video for you, and watch till its end. Hello, this is Vijay Vadakbalkar, diabetes educator from